We are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lamps, fog lamps, inside you'll find steering wheel controls, lane departure warning, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.